Hi, today I'm here with my friend and we are going to play 99 Nights in the Forest modded where you have all the classes and infinite diamonds and we're gonna play as the assassin. Let's go. So where are you?
Here I am.
Yay. Okay, we're just gonna change the language to Afrikaans.
Come here.
So,
Oh my god.
yay! Let's go. And we'll also join it. Okay.
Three classes. Modern. Dis amper Kersfees.
Okay, let's go.
Katana.
Wacht het gauw. Okay. Nice, and it's spawn cool.
Wat is in de YouTube video?
Hey, yo!
Ja. Who was that? Our neighbors is very weird.
Yes, our neighbors are very weird.
Oh, right there. Actually, go get a leaf.
Oh, gun.
Sorry.
Oh,
And this is modern.
it's modded.
Ik heb hier trekker gestaan, zeg. Dus precies trekker om
Okay, oes. Yeah.
I'm gonna go search for chests.
Oh, there's a ruby chest. Dat is de ruby
Ruby
chest. Ruby chest.
Wat echt was, farming.
Oh nee, dat is een ruby chest niet. Dat is het. Een normal chest. Oké, ik kom nou.
Farming for me.
Katana en kunais is diep. Oeh, defense blueprint. Ik heb de defense blueprint. Wacht, was
Laser
jij dan?
cannon.
Wacht, was jij? Waar zijn ik jou? Ik zie jou. Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna die. There's a bear after me.
Ik heb kunais gekregen wat ik hier eens kan gebruiken.
And neighbors are very weird.
Ja, our neighbors are very weird. Oké, ik ga een beetje hout kappen.
John, shush.
Kunai. I'm gonna die. I died. I died to a wolf. That was after me. I T-posed while dying.
Here is bathroom.
Oh, bathroom.
Bysep is nou by die 7. Nou, die 7 as hy die lang bysep kan nie in 5s. So tel van die 12 tot by die 7.
Alpha wolf. Wow. Oh, ik hoor jou. Is nabij.
Rifle.
En die bathroom iewers. Wat ik kan hoor. Nice.
Bandage.
Nice. Come save me, please.
Je weet trekker ik op, zeg.
That's here I am. There I am. Follow
Gold
the
chest.
arrow. Oh yes, gold chest.
With a rifle.
Okay. Watch out for the wolf. He's gonna attack you. But he's low. I could work at the villain's blueprints. Aquario. Nice, I see you. Why do I spawn at base, bruh?
Don't know. Don't really care.
For some reason I spawned at base. Why did you... is it securing your gold chest? Okay.
What is our name? What are our neighbors doing?
I don't know what our neighbors doing.
Here's a rifle, another one.
Okay, please. Yay. Okay, do you have a
Ruby
rifle?
chest.
Ruby chest too. Hospital! Get the hospital!
Kunais. Ek het kunais.
Je kan het niet weer gebruiken, want je het mos nog. Oh.
Ek het in 'n chest.
Okay.
My wiele is al gelukkig gestrooid.
Sit jy in 'n binnelaag? Karamel.
Oh, I take a med kit. I have a med kit. And I'm gonna get many bandages.
I'm starving.
Ah,
Julle blikkie.
I'm sorry, I'm very far from base.
It's so dark. Beer.
Bear,
Build-A-Bob.
are you playing Build-A-Bear? If you're dying, I am not gonna save you. No, I'm kidding. I will come save you.
I've got the...
Yskas sit voordat die dag voordat jy dit.
Okay, I'm going back to base.
Gooi hom net.
Is it hospital?
Teelepel gee. Karamel.
No. You're starving.
Dan sit jy weer so teelepel gee voor.
Jy weet ek gaan weet.
Maat en karamel.
I'll come help you.
Watch out for the bear.
Okay. I'll use my kunais on him.
Ek is volgende week nog hele week hier. Ongelukkig. Ah nee, ons weer is baie geraasig.
Jockey. I found the first kid. I'm going to save him first.
Hey, stop it! Wat? Gebeur zo ook hier. Ons dieren.
Oh, we died.
Fine, play again.
Let's play again. Let's go. Leave and rejoin a new
Oh, let's
server.
play something else.
Yeah, let's play something else.
Volgende week naweek zaterdag rechts. Kom.
Our neighbors are very crazy. Okay, what is we going to play? Are we going to play horror or something like that?
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
play. What about Terminal 13?
Sure, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Dr. Paul, wie?
Dr. Jan Paul.
Okay, I'm getting it.
Okay.
Oh, my warrants. Ah! We gaan hem met ski. Shoot it! Shoot it!
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Our neighbors are murdering each other.
Yes, I hear so. Okay, let me join you.
Dus 182
Is het 3, hè? Where are you?
I'm joining you.
Come on, Boxy. Here.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm still joining.
Oh, don't leave with the zo on.
Okay, let's go. Okay, bye. Bye, people. That's the end of my vid.